Turning on SSL certificate on Wix website. In this video, you are going to learn how you guys can turn on SSL certificate on Wix website. For that, you have to go to the Wix website, and then in the Wix website, you have to log into your account. Then you will see the dashboard. In the dashboard, you simply have to wait for it to load. Obviously, it will take some time. After the dashboard is loaded, you simply have to go to the section of settings. In the settings, you will see the settings option in the left corner of dashboard by scrolling down. In the settings, you will see the option that says roles and permission. You will click on that option, and after that, in the domain section, you will have to change the option. In the domains, you guys can see I currently have not bought any domain, but in your case, you will have a domain something like that. After you know you having a domain, you will also be able to see an option for SSL certificate right here. From here, you can get your SSL certificate. That's all. Thanks for watching.